Okay, in this video, we're going to now enable different dashboards as part of the cClear interface. So as covered in an earlier version where we've installed the Grafana dashboard bundle, what we're going to now do is actually activate that bundle and start to enable different dashboards so that we can access and visualize the data from our cPacket system. So we log into our cClear network, and you can clearly see here now on the left hand side we have our dashboards option. So we click on that. That will open up a new Grafana plugin, and you can see these are the available dashboards that are currently installed by default. So what we're going to do is we're going to now enable some new dashboards and capabilities. So what we can do is we go into our menu, we open the administration tab, we go to our plugins, and we find our cPacket, and again we can search for that in here as well. If we have a lot, and we can open that, we can see it's already installed and it's activated because we covered that earlier. But on our dashboards panel, what we can do is we can actually now select which additional dashboards that we want to install. So here you can see the default ones and the ones that are currently enabled. And what we can also do is we can switch on some additional ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn everything on for the moment. So every single dashboard that we have, I'm going to now enable. And what we do then is we import the selected dashboard. So what that will do is that will now pull down the latest bundle, and it will install each of those dashboards and attach them within the Grafana system within this particular cClear instance. So that'll take a few seconds, and that's now been installed. And we can also check in here what version we currently have installed. So we have the 4.3.1, which is the latest version, which other previous versions are available. And we can also get an overview of our cPacket bundle that we've installed on this system. And again, so now if we come back to our home, we should now see that we have a whole load of new dashboards that are available to actually visualize and access. So we have, overview dashboards of what's going on. We also have specific device dashboards, and we're going to go into these in more details in future videos. But this now has activated and given us the new cPacket bundled Grafana plugins for our cClear system.